hurricane and tornado control device, okay? Inventor is Andrew Waxman-Ski. I was like to have a name like that, Waxman-Ski. 2001. This is a patent. This is how you make weather change, okay? A method is disclosed for affecting the formation and or direction of low atmospheric weather system. Audio generators are positioned to project sound waves into the area of the weather system. I'm skipping words I can't announce. The sound waves are generated at a frequency to affect formation of the weather system in a manner to disrupt, okay, enhance, make better, or direct the formation to whatever state they want. I'm adding in words now. The sound waves can also be projected in a manner to cause the system to produce rain. Oh, what can the rain do? Put out forest fires that they created. The best way that I've found information of what science is up to is the patents. So if you want to take a look at it, you can take a look at it yourself. A method affecting the formation direction of a weather system compromising, locating a low atmospheric weather system having potential to develop into a storm. Said weather system having winds rotating in an observed direction and projecting high decibel sound waves into the peripheral area of the said weather system, whereby to affect the formation and direction of said weather system. Unbelievable. Controlling the weather with sound waves. I don't want to read all of it. That's U.S. Weather Research System. So 2001. Oh yeah, NOAA's involved with this. They can make your hurricane better or worse with sound frequencies. Learn something every day. We know they're making them worse, though.